To access the transaction screen, go to Data Input and on the submenu select Transactions. A transaction is normally an invoice or credit note received from a company or person. Prepayments, accruals, and journal entries can also be entered here if necessary. When you enter the transaction screen, the company and category from the last transaction input on the system will be displayed, but the amount fields will be blank. This makes it really easy if you are inputting more than one invoice from the same supplier. The transaction number is always the next in the sequence. It's a good idea to write this number on the invoice it relates to for future reference. Let's enter a new transaction. Select the company or person, and then the invoice date. This is the tax date shown on the invoice, not the payment date. The delivery date is automatically set to be the same as the invoice date. However, this can be reset to an earlier date if the delivery arrived before the tax date on the invoice. Use the transaction type to select the type of transaction. Here we will enter an invoice. Select the category. The VAT indicator can be used to select the correct VAT category. Enter the amount on the invoice and the VAT will automatically be calculated. If you are entering a credit note, make sure the amount is negative. To enter more than one category on the invoice, use the green Category Add button. To delete an incorrectly entered category line, click on the red X at the right-hand side of the line. To enter another invoice, click on the green Add button at the top of the screen. Once saved, it is not possible to edit a transaction. If an incorrect entry has been made, it can be reversed and corrected by clicking Reverse. This is only possible for transactions with an invoice in an unlocked date range.